In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change candle colors on Tradovate Adjust Candlestick Style in Web app. If you've ever wished your chart colors were easier to read or better matched your personal setup, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and confidently. Start by opening the chart where you want to make changes. Look to the top right corner of the chart module and click the gear icon to open the chart settings. This is where all your visual and behavior preferences live, and it's the safest place to make changes without affecting your data or your order settings. Inside the Settings panel, navigate to the tab labeled Colors or Appearance. The exact label can vary depending on platform updates, but it will be the section that controls the chart's visual style. If you see multiple categories within that tab, our focus on the options specifically related to candlesticks. We'll keep our changes targeted to candle bodies, wicks, and borders so your chart remains clean and consistent. Next, set the color for the up candle, which represents bullish movement. Choose a color that reads clearly as up for you. Green is a popular choice, but you can pick any hue that suits your theme as long as it has enough contrast with your background. Then set the down candle color for bearish movement. Red is the standard pick here, and again, contrast is key. If you're colorblind or prefer a high contrast scheme, consider using distinctly different shades like blue for up and orange for down. Adjust the wicks and border colors to complete the look. The wick is the thin line that shows the high and low, and the border outlines the candle body. You can match these to the body for a simple, unified appearance, or use darker borders and neutral wicks for sharper clarity. If your background is light, slightly darker borders can help candles stand out. If your background is dark, lighter wicks can be easier to see at a glance. When you're happy with the preview, confirm your changes by clicking OK or Apply. Your chart should update immediately. If you don't see the change, make sure your chart type is set to candlesticks and not bars or lines, as color options are specific to candle visuals. That's it. Your candle colors are now customized to your preference. Consistent, readable colors can make scanning price action faster and reduce eye strain during long sessions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy trading with a chart style that works for you.